Now, I should probably note that everything in this book, the Xenotext, is in fact true. I'm about to read to you a lengthy epigraph derived from an article appearing in an issue of Astrophysics and Space Science in 2006. This poem is entitled The Grim Rain. Kerala, a coastal demesne in India, suffered a burgundy downpour for 10 days in the summer of 2001, with rusty water falling from the sky in scarlet deluges. While at first thought to be the result of a windstorm transporting either grains of red powder from Libyan deserts or spores of red lichen from Indian forests, the granules in solution did not resemble such particles under microscopic examination. Instead, they looked more like biological corpuscles. The granules remained dormant at conventional temperatures, but when heated to 620 degrees Kelvin, hotter than the melting point of lead, vesicles appeared inside these granules, growing until such nuclei burst forth from the host cell, replicating without apparent recourse to DNA, thus leading to speculations that these cells were extraterrestrial in their origin, seeded into the atmosphere by a meteoric airburst. This is the poem. Ashen skies of the tempest hemorrhage, dousing this mirage of jungles in Shiraz. Hindu oxmen of the fields halt the plows, the drovers gazing in dismay at dismal clouds. White saris redden with lavish wounds, poxes abloom like lotuses of ink unstaunchable. Wild dogs drink this plague from steel bowls filled by the squall, each butcher spilling vats of ox blood into the gutters. Flies rage among the roses as if in the throes of rabies, the village but an abattoir where slaughter discolors window panes of rainwash with an azo dye that stains slides for our microscopes. Behold, no spores of ruddy algae, no terracotta grains of pollen, no russet lichen, just a gouache of crimson spatter, whose downpours scorch the groves, igniting flambeaux from umbrellas. We, the reapers of the red hay, torch these meadows, awash in a diluted lacquer that fluoresces rubescent like an emission spectrum, red shifting from the red rectangle nebula. We are the heirs of your invasion, the children of your ergot and your Ebola, every cell of hemoglobin, a microbe descended from these seas of rust, blown by a Scirocco across the tundras of Mars.